Standardized lists with standardized associations mean you need a centralized location for your lookup information so that the lookup list is easy to find and review, meaning you can easily see if changes are needed. And if you do decide to change something, you know that the changes will be applied to every single cell that uses this lookup information in your entire workbook. You won't need to worry about whether you missed a reference somewhere, because all of your references will be pointing to the centralized lookup table. So updated lookup table values will be updated in every single cell reference to that table. While not strictly necessary, I recommend putting lookup information on a separate worksheet from the one that contains your data and calculations. I also recommend giving this worksheet a descriptive name that helps you easily identify this sheet later. I'll call mine lookups. If you're using this information across multiple workbooks, that is, across multiple Excel files, you might want to take the step of further centralizing this lookup information in its own workbook, a relational database table, or some other storage location that can be easily referenced with Excel's getData function. Short of that, you can create a template workbook that contains this lookup worksheet, and you'd make a copy of this template workbook every time you need to start a new version, just as a teacher would with each new school year with new students. If you have questions about which approach might be right for your situation, or this video helped you in your own project, tell me about it in the comments.